Oh, no, do that again. Here, give me the time. Come on. Wake up. Give me the time. Come on. Did it before all by yourself. Okay, fine. So it's Monday, November 27th, 1407. Right, so there you go. See that? And we're live in Facebook. And we've got this going on. There's a box. And put this down. We don't need this. Okay, and we do need one of these. We got one of these here. That's what we're going to unbox. And here is the other one that I got back in June of 2023. And this one I got, well, I got this one here recently. Looks like, supposed to look like this. Missing the battery cover. Okay, so, and that's all I know. So, and $600. I just got it. Or 400 and something dollars. Whatever. Gotta stop buying these things. My favorite model. What can I say? Now, I've got this one here, which is silver. Okay, it's silver on top. Okay, and like that. So we're just gonna say that much. Now we're gonna put the camera over here on the tripod. Flip this thing around. Put it on there. Get it on there. Come on. There we go. And just angle that up to about there. Okay, so it's on the bed. You can see it. Okay. And then this one here. Here, let me take the Facebook one, which is live with probably nobody watching, but I'll give you the same brief. Okay, so here we go. There's a silver one in case you've never seen one before. Okay, I think I made a video about this a while ago. Okay. And of course, here is the one I won recently, right? This is what we're supposed to be getting out of this box. Let's look like that. That, missing the battery cover. Okay, so mark when things watching. Alright, so here's this, there's that. That's what we're looking for. Is this one here. A little bit dirty, okay, dusty. $600 and something. Okay, and then of course I need a battery cover. Well, I have a battery cover. Here's a battery cover for that model. Alright, there we go. Okay, and so without further ado, just put this back on the tripod. There's the other camera, which I've already started. So now I'm just set this here. I'm trying to get to this. Alright, here we go. So there it is. So there's the box it came from, wherever. Okay, and it's pretty anyway. So now we gotta just figure out how to open this thing. I guess, okay, it comes off the front. Alright, so give me some scissors. Alright, so let's see here. So yeah, I guess there's the shipping thing. So yeah, so yeah. Okay, well that was pretty easy. So now just looks like that. Looks like this. Looks like that. Huh. Maybe they cleaned it before they shipped it. Who knows? But one layer of bubble wrap. Wow. Well, not gonna be. Well. Oh man. Come on. Alright, got to just... That was pretty easy. Use your scissors. Strong tape. Don't look that bad. They must have cleaned it off. Oh. Well, I don't remember seeing that. Let's see, let me look at my pictures again. Well, according to the thing, it's supposed to have the switches here, but I don't see them. Well, in that picture, it's got the switches. Here it's missing. This is the most important switch, though. This is the on and off. This is the, okay, well, alright. Let's see. Okay, so here we've got a, well, there we go. Okay, here they are. And they're broke. They're both broke off. Well, that's just no good. Okay, those are both broke off. What is this? Little cover for the side, which I believe goes right here. Yeah, it goes right there. For the voltage selector thing, that fell off. Okay, well, alright, so, great. Alright, so without further ado, let's simply plug it in, right? So because they didn't plug it in their listing. And, yeah. Uh-oh, and this has been pushed in a little bit here. Well, okay. Well. Got sounds. Well, just, yeah. Well, at least the handle's good. No AM. No AM whatsoever. Well, okay, fine. Let's see if the tape deck works. Should be the radio off. The radio is off. So, tape deck does work. It fast forwards and rewinds. Great. Let's see if we get some sound out of it. Where's your magic tape? Okay. Here's your demonstration tape. There we go. That opens up. Okay. Throw that in. Okay, and then hit play. Got tunes. Hey. cassette too. Tape counter works, if you can see that. So the volume is smooth. Bass, really can't hear much of the treble because it's muddy, but well, okay, so tape deck works, FM radio works. Well, it makes noise. AM doesn't do anything. Okay, and these two switches here broke off. I can see the switches down here, but they're broke off at the base, so that kind of really sucks. Okay, and doesn't have a battery cover, but I do have a battery cover right here, which came off another radio that I have that, so, and well, here I've got batteries right here. Let's just do that real quick. So that, this, there. Oh boy, strong springs. Really strong springs. Oh, come on. Yeah, get in there. Come on. Wow. Okay. And then here's and these are Zentner batteries, by the way. They're rechargeable. Okay. All right. Had to say that because really strong spring. Stay. Don't go nowhere. Put that on. There we go. Okay. Then hit play. There you go. It runs on batteries too. So looks like that. Looks like this. It's a parts box now because these two switches are broke off and everything. It needs to be cleaned on the inside, serviced, normally, but one of these is a mixing switch, and I can't remember what the other one is, but they're not important. This is the most important switch right here. This is your radio off, tape play on switch, okay? Or I said that backwards. Radio on, tape off. There we go. Or whatever. Okay, so it's got everything else to it. The antenna is complete. It steps, stays, goes out, goes in. Great. Just didn't have the battery cover originally, right? Oh, that's the speed control for the cassette deck. So because if you had a JVC model, this would be the fine tuning for the shortwave, which this does not have. This is AM and FM only. But anyway, so okay, well, this one works. I gotta stop buying these things. There's 4 in the other room, and 2 on the patio, so that makes 7. I gotta sell some of these, so I'm gonna don't know what I'm gonna do with this one, but probably use it for parts and also decipher how to try and repair the other 2. And if I can't, if it takes too much time, I'm just gonna get rid of the other 2 for parts, which are both JVC models. This is a Victor. Okay, so anyway, let me get my batteries out of here. Well, yeah, just get the batteries out real quick. There they go. Great, so there's that. Put this here. Okay. Alright, so just, yeah. Okay. Wow. Really strong springs. Okay. Well, okay, and then this is mine. Goes, well, just keep it here. It's just hard to. Okay. Alright, too much fun. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. I gotta go do something else. Elsewhere. Nothing else in the box. Just one thin layer of plastic, people. I would have salvaged those 2 little switches, but no. Golly darn. Alright, so much fun. Thanks for watching. Gotta go. I'll turn that one. Well, which one to turn off first? Turn off this one first. Okay. Yes, yeah. Okay. And okay, don't trip. So here, give me this. So that. Let's see here, just. Right, it's a Victor, right? So yeah. So it's what, 17 minutes? You can't see me taking a picture, can you? Okay, so. Let's see. Let's see. Get it down like this. So yeah. Could have done that, but we'll do it this way. Just. Yeah. Oh, we gotta turn it off. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.